What do you normally use to clean your windows? Now the problem is, again, with the camera picking stuff up, a lot of people say, well, that was clean to start with. And yeah, sure enough, it's not. I see a light coating of like lint dust.
This has actually been cleaned recently, but yes, you can see stuff on it because the mirror is so old that it's kind of got a, I don't know if you want to call it water.
I can't.
Stains?
I'm trying all sorts of angles and you're right, I'm gonna make people nauseous. Okay. For a second, yep, there, we can see it a little bit. Okay, now that is, if you're gonna use the window cloth, you can wet a portion of it, but I also like to show that this all by itself, once it dries, will also, I mean, what I'm saying is the two together are great, but if you can only ever get one, get this one every time. It does everything. Now what's neat about this is some people use their Windex, so they have to keep buying Windex and its chemicals, and some people use their vinegar so that they're chemical free, right? And when you do that, well, you have to sniff the vinegar, and let's be honest, people who are smell snobs aren't really fond of the vinegar smell.
Yeah.
And it doesn't really kill the bacteria, so. And also you have to lug extra products with you. With this, you just pull this out and that's it. You're done.
You guys have to be able to see that. That's impossible not to see.
No,
How can you not see?
because it's a camera and it light distorts everything.
I cleaned this yesterday.
What?
Okay.
You can see?
You can see. This was cleaned yesterday and I am a good cleaner, but it's stained.
Well, also, any products you use are going to leave lint, and this doesn't. So you're not having to buy paper towels and Windex, and you also aren't leaving the lint trail behind.
It's not showing the water staining that hit, because this mirror is really old, and it's just got like water staining, but on one side it no longer has it.
See, this is why I think this is important for your parties, because people who know you know you're real, right? And the camera is not capturing it.
It's supposed to have those.
Really?
Yes.
Sure.
Here's the half that's stained.
It's because of the
There's the half that's not, okay.
And that was without using the window cloth, right?
Huh?
Am I right?
Well, I dried it with the window cloth.
Okay, all right, okay. Well, then that'll be a different test. So,
But now I'm cleaning the whole thing.
Okay, do the whole thing.
Because if it can not have those spots, the water staining anymore, I'm going to be really pleased with that.
Mom?
Yeah, sweetheart.
I just wanted to tell you, when I looked into the washer when I was ready to get the clothes out and into the dryer, the washer was good enough to get all the stains off.
He's very proud of the washer. It did a great job. Yay,
washer. And mommy soaking your shirts for 24 hours.
You know, I have to say, I can't see that there were or weren't, the camera doesn't pick up the spots so well, but it is so shiny, it almost looks like the room glows. Now, maybe that's a slight exaggeration, but seriously, I can see serious shine.
I was able to show, you'll be able to go over the footage and see.
Okay. So do you feel like you got all those water spots or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, but I do see one thing right.
I think that's a chip.
Oh, okay.
Teeny tiny chip.
Sorry, I can't do chips.
This mirror is like 18 years old.
Well, that explains why it's so pretty. That it really does look shiny.
Well, this is what I'm impressed with, because it didn't matter how much I cleaned it. I even used straight up vinegar on it.
Okay.
So
Awesome.
this was impressive.
Okay. And I am always impressed with, that's the, I got the stain out shirt he wanted to tell you about. So what I'm impressed with is the fact that I don't have to carry a bucket full of supplies. It's just, this cloth will do it. That's it.